24. Heaven's dome is but a wondrous house of sorrow, and happiness therein a lying fable. When first they mixed the clay of man and clothed his spirit in the robe of perfect beauty, for 40 mornings did an evil cloud rain sorrows over him from head to foot. And when the 40 mornings passed to night, then came one morning shower of joy, to 40 of the rain of sorrow. And though the better fortune came at last to seal the work, yet every wise man knows such consummation never can be here. Salaman fired the pile, and in the flame that passed him consumed Absal like straw. Died his divided self, and there survived his individual, and like a body, from which the soul was parted all alone. Then rose his cry to heaven, his eyelashes dropped blood, his sighs stood like a smoke in heaven, and morning rent her garment. At his anguish, he tore his bosom with his nails, he smote stone on his bosom, looking then on hands, no longer locked in hers, and lost their jewel. He tore them with his teeth, and when came night, he hid him in some corner of the house, and communed with the phantom of his love. O thou whose presence so long soothed my soul, now burnt with thy remembrance. O so long the light that fed these eyes, now dark with tears. O long, long home of love, now lost forever. We were together, that was all enough. We two rejoicing in each other's eyes, infinitely rejoicing, all the world. Nothing to us, nor we to all the world. No road to reach us, nor an eye to watch. All day we whispered in each other's ears. All night we slept in one another's arms. All seemed to our desire, as if the hand of unjust fortune were for once too short. O would to God that when I lit the pyre, the flame had left thee, living, and me dead. Not living worse than dead, deprived of thee. O were I but with thee, at any cost, stripped of this terrible self-solitude. O but with thee annihilation lost, are in eternal intercourse renewed. Slumber drunk, an Arab in the desert of off his camel tumbled, who, the lighter of her burden, ran upon her road rejoicing. When the Arab woke at morning, rubbed his eyes, and looked about him, O my camel, quoth he, camel of my soul, that lost with her I lost might be, are found she might be found with me. And, well, we can suffer through our memory, or we can use our memory to be grateful. Well, at least I had it when it was there, and or to comfort one otherwise with memory.